Anna Webb presents A Dog's Life. It's a podcast. She's promoting this campaign to try to persuade us to take our dog's dental health more seriously. Anna, welcome. Lots of our listeners have been in touch about this already. Let me just read you some of the things that they have written. Okay. This one from Viv Wand. A couple of years ago, I had to pay £300 for my border terrier to have her teeth descaled. She needed an anaesthetic. Since then, I have brushed her teeth every night. She expects it now and sits and waits for me to do it. Seems a bit crazy, but if it saves on vet's bills, then it's worth it. Okay, as Dr. Carolina Enlund said, not easy to persuade a lot of dogs to let you brush their teeth. So how would you do it?
How would I do it? Well, I brush my own dog's teeth, and I would say to anyone who's blessed, Winifred, to bring a puppy into their home, there is absolutely no excuse not to train your dog to love having their teeth brushed, because you turn it into a game. You begin with a little bit of cream cheese stuck to your finger, and you get your dog used to your fingers going into their mouth, and basically then finish with some tasty treats and a fun game of fetch, for example, down your hallway. So it becomes an event, an appointment to have fun with your dog.
Gail from North Devon says, I brush my 9-year-old border collie's teeth every day using organic toothpaste and a child's electric toothbrush. Now, you're suggesting using your finger. What else can you use to brush your dog's teeth?
Well, your finger starts the process, because obviously when you're training a dog to go in straight away with a toothbrush is not a good idea, because when you're training your dog to do anything at all, you do it in very gradual increments. So the finger transfers to being a toothbrush. But again, it's gradual. And in terms of toothpaste, for me, I use herbal ones. I don't use human toothpaste.
Does it matter, though?
Well, there is evidence to say that a lot of the chemicals in human toothpaste, like fluoride, for example, can harm a dog's kidneys. Because you do have to remember that you are dealing with a completely different digestive system between humans and dogs. A dog's metabolism is much, much faster than ours, and their digestive system is way faster than ours because it's carnivorous. So, fluoride going into the system will churn round at a lot faster rate than it does in our bodies.
Okay, how about this one? Wendy in North Wales. I give my dog 3 pieces of carrot a day to clean her teeth. Works beautifully. Does it work?
Carrots are super, they're full of antioxidants. I mean, what I think people need to think about is all the choices that we have now for dogs, it's wonderful. There's choices of all these different types of diets and foods, whether your dog should be a vegan, on that front I firmly say no, because dogs are carnivores. But carrots make a great chewy stick, a bit like an apple a day, keeps the doctor away, Winifred.
But do they clean their teeth?
Well, it gives dogs the function that their teeth need, Winifred, which is to chew, not to grind. Dogs' physiology of their teeth is very much for chewing, okay? So dogs that eat, for example, a processed biscuit diet, those tiny particles of those biscuits will go up into the gums and lodge between the teeth and the gums. Now, after every meal, can that dog say, please, can I have the dental floss so we can just get this all out of my teeth? No, they can't. So we're very responsible for thinking about ingredients. So carrots are great because they've got juices in them and they let the dog chew, just like fresh meat, for example, which, funnily enough, works a bit like a toothbrush, Winifred, because when the dog chews into the meat, you've got the juices that squirt out. Those juices are so important because they contain digestive acids and enzymes that help keep the mouth's healthy bacteria. If the mouth, which is the gateway to the digestive system, is kept, with healthy, good and bad bacteria, lots of acids, lots of enzymes, get it working right, then the digestive system's functioning at full tilt as well.
Sorry, so you're saying you get that from raw food? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, it is from raw food.
Or from carrots? Well, unprocessed food.
Unprocessed food. Unprocessed is for me, and whole food.
Anna Webb, presenter of A Dog's Life. Thank you very much for coming on. Thank you.